What's up, guys? We're out here at DSI, Driller Service Inc. in Crestview, Florida. This is one of our regular mows on a bi-weekly basis. It's mainly just a plumbing supply. That's about all they deal in. Rolled up this morning and everybody had on a bright shiny red shirt, and I'm like, where's my shirt? And turns out they don't have Sasquatch size shirts. So we'll see what we can get. Maybe we'll get something free. I smell hamburgers. Seen Mr. Josh Weeks up there on the grill. Him and his lovely bride up there. She's making sure he's doing it right. That a girl. And it looked like he's doing pretty good. That mustache helps, Josh. It's hotter than Hunter Biden's crack pipe out here. I just gotta say, that was hot. That's a hot job right there. Luckily it wasn't as dusty today. But that's it. DSI and Crestview, we got it done. Didn't die. You know, most people want to go for the McDonald's on the drive-through. We're in Crestview. I'm going to Wendy's. Drag this truck and trailer to that drive-through. Hopefully, we'll see. Ah, sweet. Love it. All right, coming through.
Hi, comment take order.
Yes, I would just like 2 of your $6 biggie bags with the bacon double stacks on both. And Coke with both of those, please. I just want to give a big shout out to David and the guys, Josh, everyone at DSI. Thank y'all for inviting me in for a burger and a sausage dog. I'm sorry I couldn't accept. I was very hot out there, and I can't eat when I'm hot, but I do appreciate the gesture. It's very kind. And just in case you're wondering, I'm live now, we have one fast food restaurant in our town, and it gets so old eating the same thing. About the only thing, I'm having a couple of French fries for some salt. About it, though. So like I said, it's very generous of them to offer the food. It's just, I couldn't even think about it right then. I probably won't eat till I get home and cool off a little bit. It never settles good. But I just thought I'd add that because I know I'd be thinking too, well, he didn't eat the sausage dog or the hamburger, so he stopped at Wendy's. Screw you, Sasquatch.